CCI Standard, the standard ammunition all other are compared to. How will it perform? Keep watching. Hi and welcome back to the Gun Viking channel. Today we're going to test one of the best known cartridges in the world, the CCI Standard. It contains of a 40 grain lead bullet that is wax coated, and it leaves the muzzle at 1070 feet per second. It has a very good reputation, and today we're going to test if it's deserved. So let's go to the range. And hey, if you like my videos, why don't you press the like button and also subscribe? And you're more than welcome to share them with your friends. It would help the channel a great deal. So, back from the range, and it did very well. As you can see, the groups were very tight. Some of them open a little bit. It might be the wind, it might be me, and of course it might be the cartridge. But with an average group size of 14.66 millimeters, it's well within what you can expect from a cartridge in this price range. The CCI Standard is a safe bet. If you want a cartridge that always functions, that does well, you should go for the CCI Standard. The only problem with the CCI Standard, it might be a little hard to find right now because of the ammo shortage. Good luck in hunting for them. See you next time.